I know it was a bit of a festival when we cancelled the last one, but we're all completely fucking slowed down, so we did our best, but at the end we were trapped stuck in a hell, so. But thank you very much for coming along. Hope everyone had a good Christmas New Year. Safety brief, okay? For those of you who haven't been before, I'm sure I said it's not a single year. You know, anyone who hasn't been here before, just stick your hand up in the air. Okay, so just a few then.
3, 2, 1, yeah!
Hit! Fuck. Right in my nose.
This is a special armoured dead reckoning version of something. Thanks, man. Right, at the front you can see we have the presents, okay? These are the presents you guys have to deliver. We have the support element on the inside, okay? And then at the back we have some anti-personnel devices. You guys!
Well, why did he leave it here? Marshall, why did you leave it? Fucking hell.
Yeah! Let's just run across there. Let's see now.
Now wait till he changes.
He's changing.
That's it. Santanita. Oh, we need to put a box. Another one, He's down.
I've got the box! Give me cover!
No, he's just behind here. Ah! Hit! Hit, dead man!
Own it. Spread out. Hold it.